Hello guys! Hi everyone! Another weekend visit to my old folks. The weather nowadays is super hot. But this place makes me feel so refreshed and feeling stress-free. Showing you guys how beautiful place my mama and papa have. This is Papa's favorite place also. A place where you can harvest fruits fresh from the tree like avocado, guyabano, cacao, bananas, and papayas for free. Si Papa nagtanim niyan. Though I'm not so sure. Hindi ko sure kung siya na talaga nagtanim. Okay, but let me show you around. Super duper fresh dito.
She wants coffee and cups sitting on our patio. We ain't got nowhere to go. Baby, kiss me really slow. All I want coffee and cups. Let's just chill and do this song. Baby, you're my Babylon.